We are live. What's going on, guys? How's it going? How's it going? How's everybody doing out there? Let's check out the. Give you guys a few minutes to come in to the stream. Daniel, let's go, JASMY family. This is what we've been waiting for. Yes, how you doing, brother? Good to see you. Hopefully, you guys caught my live stream this morning. We kind of did a pretty big breakdown of the roadmap and stuff. So hopefully, you guys caught that. Yeah. Hopefully, like I said, give you guys a couple of minutes to kind of pour into the chat, see who's going to make it. Make sure you guys are smashing the subscribe button on the way in. How about it, guys? Green market so far today. Miria up 9.5%. Swiftcoin's pumping 10%, looking good. JASMY up 1.6%, looking good. Bitcoin 64.8. Not too bad, man. Not too bad. William, hey, how you doing, buddy? How is it going? More roadmap talk. I'm all ears. Yes, of course, more roadmap talk. 100%. We're going to answer some questions as best we can. We're going to talk about it, guys. Like I said, just giving you guys some time to come in. Sand's pumping. Everything's kind of pumping right now, man. Everything's looking good. Tim, what's up, Rob? What's your name on your Discord? Just want to make sure I'm talking to the right guy. It's Crypto Future. But Tim, if you're messaging me right now over on the Discord, let me have a look. Nope, I have no direct messages right now from you, Tim. Wait. Nope, I have no direct messages right now on the Discord from you, Tim. So all I can say is that you are not talking to me. If you're talking to somebody with the same name as mine on Discord. Hey, Rob, all good? All good, my friend. It is all good. Absolutely. It's tough out there, Rob. It's hard out there for a pimp. 100%. Big things popping, little things stopping. Yeah. A lot of people out there, well, not a lot, I guess, but there's a few people out there that are being kind of negative and stuff. They're all upset. There's some people, spreading misinformation, saying like, they think this about the roadmap. They think that about the roadmap. Well, I think it's bearish. I think it's bearish. Well, all I can really say about that is that that's all I got to say. So let's have a look at the market here, guys. KASPA's having a nice little DCA opportunity. SCI's pumping. Everything's kind of pumping. Everything's kind of pumping. Look at the green across the board, guys. Nice little recovery day. JASMY's up. This is nice. This is a nice look for a Saturday, considering there's no inflows or anything. It's nice to see. Look at Gala. Oh, Gala. 18.8% up. Looking juicy, guys. Love to see it. All right, let's have a look at JASMY, still inside of the falling wedge, bear flag, whatever you want to refer to it as, still above the moving average and below the trend line here. So like I said, in about an hour and 4 minutes, we have our daily close, and we're going to see what happens with this next with tomorrow's candle here. Are we going to break below this moving average, or are we going to pop up out of this bear flag and up to the upside? Either way, guys, it's very, very tight. As you can see, there is no wiggle room left, so it's going to have to go one way or the other, right? So we'll see what happens here, guys. It's going to fall below, or it's going to bounce up above. I'm hoping for a bounce up above, considering the market is looking kind of green right now. It's possible we could see JASMY pump to the upside. Tim, I just sent a message to you on Discord again. Discord. Nope, it's not me you're talking. Oh, there it is. I got it, Tim. Yeah, that's me. You said, what's up, Rob? That is me, my friend. You got me. You got me. Swoopa, what's up, man? Hey, Rob. Present, checking for my JASMY update. Keep up the good work. Thank you. Thank you. Much, much appreciated. All right. So let's get into it a little bit, guys. Like I said, we got very, very little wiggle room here. So what are we going to do, guys? Let me know what you guys think. Are we going to pop out of this and to the upside tonight? Maybe break through that 2 cents 7.4 resistance level up to 3 cents. That would be a nice little presentation there, wouldn't it? Absolutely, guys. I'd buy that for $1. All right, what do we got going on? Let's talk about it, guys. 3 cryptocurrencies under 10 cents to buy next week. First one, I'm only going into the obviously one of them is JASMY, right? I mean, you're in the JASMY stream, so I'm not going to bother with the other two, but the first one's Gala, second one's Bonk, third one's JASMY coin. The JASMY price displayed a neutral trend by trading between 1 cent 23 and 1 cent 62, during which it failed multiple attempts to break out of the resistance level. As the market volatility grew, the bulls jumped 50%, after which it displayed a neutral trend for a while. Following this, the JASMY coin traded in a consolidation range between 1 cent 9.3 and 2 cents 5 for about 2 weeks. As the market lost momentum, the price fell to test its lows of 1 cent 6, after which the bulls recorded a bounce back. Since then, the price has been displaying a sideways trend. The MACD displays a consistent decline in the chart, indicating a decline in the buying pressure in the crypto space. On the other hand, the averages show a bullish convergence, suggesting a mixed sentiment. If the bulls regain momentum, the JASMY price will run to test its upper resistance level at 3 cents in the coming time. Negatively, a bearish influence may pull the price towards its lows of 162. So, guys, going back over to what I was talking about here. So out of this falling wedge, we're going to be looking at a breakdown to either 162 right around here, or, well, here, you know what I'll do? So we're going to be looking at a breakdown to around somewhere around here, or a break up to, damn it, sorry, a break up to 25, did it again. I guess I can't go any higher. Up to around 3 cents, so up here. So basically, guys, we're either going to break down here or we are going to pop up above the 3 cents even, right? So what do you guys think we're going to do? Hopefully we do not fall down to this support, but I've been telling you guys that we could ping pong inside of this falling wedge here for a couple more days, right? We could fall down here and we could ping pong here around 1 cent 9 and 1 cent 6 for another week and a half before we have to actually break out of here. Or if we can get some bullish momentum, we can pop out of this to the upside to 3 cents. So what do you guys think we're going to do? Hey, Rob, do you think JASMY needs a better website? Also, a better communication with the JASMY holders? Thanks, bud. First question, do I think they need a better website? Absolutely. Jesse and I have talked about that multiple times. And actually, in Hara's last AMA, he actually referenced the website and acknowledged the fact that they do need to upgrade the website. So I think we will see that in the future. We will see an upgraded website. And to answer your second question, in terms of communication, I actually was talking to someone. I replied to someone in the comments because they were like, they took the announcement of the announcement of an upcoming announcement, like the fact that they're going to be announcing this big IoT partnership in the coming days. They took that as a bad thing. And my response to that was, well, for me personally, I take that Hara said that as Hara actually paying attention to what the community has been saying, and he's starting to communicate and open up more to the community, right? So I would say that we're starting to see more communication from Hara and the team, because, like, listen, Jesse's on the channel all the time. He's a good friend of mine. He himself has specifically told Hara that they need to be more transparent and communicate more with the community. And for me, the fact that he had pre-mentioned an announcement coming tells me that he is communicating with the community. And on top of that, he also put out a tweet or a post, right? The other day, yesterday, letting everybody know that the roadmap's coming out today, right? So to me, I'm starting to see a pattern of communication with the community. And to put a bow on that, then he announced that he's going to be doing an AMA to explain more about the roadmap on Wednesday, right? So to kind of answer your question, that is, for me, Hara is really starting to show signs of that he is listening to the community, and he is making changes accordingly and communicating with the community, which I take as very, very positive. So yeah. Hey, Rob, I heard Jasmy introduced a burning mechanism along with the lockup. Yes, they did, guys. And the thing about that is that, so some people are upset. I got to take a drink of water. So some people are upset about the roadmap. Guys, we have this lockup, right? This lockup is like a gift that we never even thought was coming, right? Do you understand how bullish it is? Oops, wrong one. How bullish this is, okay? That, where are we here? So listen, we've got Jasmy, we've got a 50 billion supply, max supply, right? Guys, we're going to start burning tokens. The magnitude of this is so important, which means that this max supply is no longer permanent. This is now a temporary number, guys. You could lock tokens up all day long, but at the end of the day, when it really, really came down to it, unless you locked those tokens up in a wallet that nobody had the keys to, right? Like the seed phrases to, unless you do that, technically, you could unlock them in theory, right? In theory, I'm just saying. But when you burn them and destroy them, that's it, man. They're gone forever, right? So 50 billion, this number is now a temporary number, guys. And to me, that is massive, right? That is massive. And it goes even further against the people out there that are saying, well, Jasmy can't get to $1 because 50 billion supply. You know, Jasmy can't do this because 50 billion supply. The market cap would have to be this, that, or the other thing. Well, now all of that means nothing, right? All those people that made all those videos saying Jasmy can't do this and can't do that because of 50 billion supply, none of it means anything anymore. It's all gibberish, because now this number, we know 100% is a temporary number, right? To be destroyed, gone, kaputz, goodbye. Get the fuck out of here, right? Boring. Well, you know where the door is, my friend. Nobody's making you be here. Hurry up and wait. Yes, exactly. Have you heard about the new Sure Law meme token being airdropped? No, I have not heard about that, my friend. Thanks, Rob, for trying to make sure. I'm 100% sure now it will be blast. Yeah. Oh, exactly. 100%. 100%. But it's only being airdropped in Israel. Oh, well, I'm not in Israel, so it doesn't help me, my friend. Hi all. Hi, Rob. Hope you're doing well. Hello, brother. Good to see you. Thank you for coming in. Yeah, I mean, Kryptons comes in and says that my channel is boring. I mean, and the only thing I can say is, that's what I think of you, brother. I'm late again. That's okay. 50 push-ups is good. Eduardo, hey, how you doing, buddy? How are you doing, man? Good to see you guys are starting to pour in. All right, we got more to get into. So, hello, brother. Hello. All right, so yes, so guys, keep that in mind. This number is now temporary, very bullish, guys. Definitely makes me excited. We got some other news to get into here. All right. Since January 12th, a staggering 266,827.99 BTC, valued at $16.9 billion, has been withdrawn from GBTC reserves. So that's been the selling pressure, guys. That's absolutely massive. This last week for selling pressure, guys, was huge. That's why we saw so much down, right? And so much like sideways choppy action. So I mean, it was a really big outflow kind of week last week. So Mr. X, it's boring to F out. Yeah, exactly. Rob talks of BTC going back to 52. It is possible. It could drop all the way down to 52. But listen, be ready on the sidelines with dry powder, man. I know I am. I will be ready not only for BTC. I'll be picking up BTC. I'll be picking up altcoins as well. I'm going to hold off on Ethereum because I gave you guys my theory on what I think Gary Gensler is going to do with the Ethereum ETFs. And I think he's going to deny it. And then the reason that he's launching an investigation into the Ethereum Foundation is because he's setting up a defense in court because he knows he's going to get sued the minute he denies the ETF application, right? So right now he's setting up a defense in court so that he can say, hey, I can't approve it because we're investigating them to see if they're security. That's his way of delaying, and I mean, who knows how long an investigation is going to last. There could be freaking 2 years of investigating, right? That's what Gary's doing right now. That's what he's doing. He's setting up a defense for when he gets sued, right? 100%. Boring. Is he joking? I crave to hear what you have to say, Rob. Can't please everyone. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, brother. Yes. You know what? You got to take the crookeds with the straights, right? Some people like other things, I guess. Your thoughts, please. Yeah, 52K. Like I said, entirely possible, man. Entirely possible. I don't know if it's not for sure, right? Don't take it as a for sure thing, but it is possible, and it would be 100% healthy for that to happen, guys. It would actually show signs that we're right on schedule still for the bull run, and everything would kind of be, on a normal schedule again, because that would be our pullback before the halving, right? So that would just be a golden opportunity to continue to dollar cost average. And for me personally, guys, listen, there's quite a few projects that I'm still trying to accumulate as much as I can. Members, you guys know what I have been dollar cost averaging. I just finished a bag of one thing that I had a goal for. And I got like 3 or 4 other projects that I really want to fill up bags on before the altcoin season kicks off. And we only have a few more months to do that. So I'm really hoping we do get that pullback because, like I said, there's like 3 or 4 more projects. If I can just get those bags filled beforehand. So I've been really aggressive in my buying over the last couple of weeks because we are running out of time, guys. Make no mistake about it. We are running out of time to scoop up your bags, whatever it is you want to get into. The clock is ticking. We've only got a couple more months if we're lucky before prices get to the point where It's just too pricey to continue to. Then you switch over from, and I'll show you in a second. You switch over from DCA mode to HODL mode, right? If you check this out, I'll show you what I mean over on the rainbow chart, right? Right now we're right here. We're still in the accumulation phase, right? And then we're going to move, like right here is the accumulation phase. Then we're going to move to, we move up to still cheap. We're almost at still cheap, right? So this is how much time we have left. Once we bounce up into the yellow, we're in HODL mode. So it's no more DCAing at that point, right? So unless you're doing like epic long-term, like next bull run. So that's how much time we have left, you guys, to, to accumulate before it gets too late, right? We're running out of time. Like we only have, where are we here? We only have 26 days left, guys. 26 days left until the halving event, right? So the clock is ticking. So invest accordingly is what I would say. It's boring. Go get wrecked by a meme. By buying a meme. No kidding, eh? No kidding. Baby G, how many addresses has JASMY picked up this week? I don't know. I'm going to have to look into that. Esther, yo, what's up, man? Lock up in April. And Rob, what prices are in mind for this bull run? I'm still firm on $1, guys. You got to remember the lockup starting, the PDL lockup is starting, and the burn now. We have a burn on top of that, so that burn might actually increase my price prediction. But we're gonna have to feel it out, guys. We're gonna have to. Somebody out there is going to make a burn website where we can track the amount of tokens being destroyed. So we're going to be looking at that every single day and every single live stream, right? We're going to track it because that's going to increase the value of the coin of JASMY every time tokens are burned, obviously, right? So that's going to be a moving target, but it's going to be a fun one to track, right? It's going to be freaking fun, you guys, to be able to go on and see how many tokens are being burned like every month or whatever, right? That's going to be exciting. So Violator, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you, brother. What's predict? You have to be a little more specific than that. Does delaying the ETH by the SEC can affect the? No, it's not going to affect JASMY in any way. Not that. Not a delay by the SEC. No. JASMY will hit the moon. JASMY's going to hit the moon, smack right through it, and head toward right out of our solar system, baby. Hey, Rob, if Bitcoin goes to 52, 50, 55K, roadmap, very bullish. 100% it was bullish. It was ultra bullish, man. Ultra bullish. Price of JASMY then. Well, I mean, listen, if it, you know what? It really depends, you guys, because we literally just saw JASMY decouple from Bitcoin last month, and it pumped 350% while Bitcoin was kind of sideways, right? So, I mean, if Bitcoin drops down to 52 to 55K, of course, most alts are gonna, they're gonna fall with their BTC pairing, right? So, who knows? Maybe we'll see. I don't know. Personally, I think that we're going to hold an iron wall support level of 1.5 cents. If that was to happen, that's a pretty strong 1.5, 1.4 support level is a pretty strong level of support. So it's possible we could hold there. I would hope anyway. But I think we're about to see a burst to the upside, guys. For a lot of altcoins, not just JASMY. JASMY end of year, $1 to $2. Yeah, I'm looking at $1 right now. That's where I'm at. 60 watching, only 13 likes. Yes, I agree. What's up with that? What is up with that? Guys are trying to hurt my feelings over here. Make sure you're hitting the subscribe button too, guys. Would be absolutely awesome if you would do that and hook us up. Hook us up. What do we got here? Overcome. Yeah. Flexing. I only bought Jasmy as my daughter's name is. That's fair. That's fair. It's a sign. Throw likes, everyone. Yes, throw the likes out there, guys. Throw a like on the video and hit the subscribe button for sure. That's the important thing, guys, as well. I'm in at 1 cent 3, so looking to buy more. Thanks, man. No problem, brother. No problem. Listen, if you're buying at 1 cent 3 or 1 cent, 2 cents, when it's $1, you're not really going to care, right? You're just going to be splitting hairs. So it's not a bad DCA opportunity. So the $17 prediction by Jasmy will come true sooner than we think. I think, you know what, before it was like, man, like $17, and I would always kind of say, listen, if they even hit 10% of that goal, you'd all of you who hold at least 100,000 or a couple of 100,000 coins would probably be millionaires if they even reach 10% of that goal, right? But now that I'm starting to see with this new roadmap that's been laid out, I'm starting to see how they're planning to get there. And I broke that down in a video or in my live stream this morning. If you didn't see it, go watch it, right? The plan is starting to come together on how they plan to get it to $17. And I said to you guys before, what would be the most logical way that you could reach a $17.80 goal on a token with a 50 billion supply and right now like a $1 billion market cap, right? Well, the easiest way and the most logical way for you to be able to do that is to control the max supply. And how do you do that? Well, you find a way to get two, not one, but two different methods of locking up tokens, right? i.e. the company pullback lockup and the PDL users locking up tokens. And then you institute a burning mechanism on top of that, destroying tokens out of existence, right? So that is one hell of an ingenious way to be able to control the price of the coin from the company's standpoint, right? It's just good that Jasmy's not an American company so that Gary can't go after them for manipulating the price of the coin. But it is really an ingenious way for them to do that, right? So I'm starting to see it all come to fruition now, guys. It's starting to make sense to me, right? Hey, sup, bro? That Matt Perry is a clown. Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't dislike Matt Perry. I mean, it's just I've seen some of his stuff, and he just doesn't do any research is the thing, right? He just kind of sits down in front of the camera and talks about how he feels about something he read on X when it comes to Jasmy or XRP or whatever. If you watch his videos, there's no real actual research that he does. He just sits there and talks, right? He doesn't show, like I show you guys, everything I talk about, I show you guys what I'm looking at. I show you guys my sources. I show you guys my research. Same thing with Max, right? Max shows you all of his research and everything, right? But Matt just kind of sits in front of the camera, reads the market cap to you, and just says some nonsensical stuff without it doing any research. Like I was watching him, and I'm not bashing him, guys, but I was watching him over the last month, and he kept doing these price target videos and Jasmy videos, and he failed to mention anything about a lockup, anything about a roadmap, anything about a carbon credits exchange, anything about anything, because he hasn't read anything. He has no idea what's going on with the company. He's just saying things. It's hilarious, but good for him for getting views though, right? So, it's all good. From what I remember that Bitcoin halving, why buy the rumor, sell the news? Do you think we'll experience a large sell-off? I think, well, like I was just saying, Cameron, I think that we could possibly go all the way down to 52 to 55K, and it would still be perfectly healthy and normal for the cycle, to be honest with you. That doesn't mean we're actually going to. It just means that it's possible, right? If the selling pressure if the outflows takes a significant slowdown from Grayscale, and the inflows continue at the current pace for BlackRock and Fidelity and everybody else, well, we could see Bitcoin's price just continue to skyrocket, right? So those are really the factors that are going to make a difference. Why is JASMY the most talked about coin at the moment? Because it is amazing. That's why. Because it is amazing. If JASMY is not an American company, do you think JASMY will ever see a JASMY ETF? Well, I mean, we could see a JASMY ETF in the state or in Japan. I honestly, I know the guys. I know there's a lot of YouTubers out there making videos for clicks, like XRP ETF incoming, JASMY ETF incoming. My view of this, guys, simply put, is that we're not going to see like how many crypto coins are there? There's like 30,000 crypto tokens right now, coins, right? They're not going to individually do 30,000 freaking ETF reviews, right? So what they're going to do is, in my opinion, they're going to create a standard is going to be set that a project has to meet a certain criteria to be eligible to be put into what will be called an ETF basket, right? Where these ETF investors can buy baskets of altcoins, right? Throw in some Cardano, some JASMY, some XRP, some Matic, whatever, right? Boom, bang, boom. They all meet the standard of utility and stuff like that. And that's going to be their way of weeding out stuff like meme coins that will never get ETF approval for obvious reasons, right? And I think that's how they're going to work meme coins into end up being their own kind of classification, right? Which is fine because meme coins are fun. People make money on them. They're great. They bring interest into the market. That's fantastic, right? But in saying that, that's what I think that they'll do. They're not going to do 30,000 individual ETF approvals. Like you get all these influencers saying XRP ETF, JASMY ETF on the way, Cardano ETF. It's not going to happen like that, guys. It's insane, right? They don't have the staff or the manpower to approve 30,000 ETF applications. There's just going to be a standard set. Meet this criteria, and your project qualifies to be inside of a basket of ETF products kind of thing, right? I think that's how it's really going to work. Samuel with the super chat. Thank you, brother. Much appreciated. It's good to see you again, my friend. Sold ICP and flipped profit to get JASMY again. We'll get back into ICP again for longer term, but I definitely make money out of thin air sometimes and reinvest into my long-term holdings. Thanks, bro. That's not a bad strategy right now, Samuel. To be honest with you, before I went live, I was actually thinking about that very thing. I was thinking about how we still have such an amazing opportunity to get more JASMY at these prices, right? Because, guys, if we do break out, like I think that we're going to, right? If we break out of this falling wedge pattern that I'm looking at, where did it go? If we break out of this to the upside, guys, right? I mean, right now you still have an opportunity to pick some up, but hey, DCA, right? Because if we break down to this bar right here, I put this here because this is where we would likely break down to if we break down out of this support level on the moving average, right? Then we'll be down around 1 cent 6, right? Well, DCA some more, right? So, but there's a strong possibility here with the market looking kind of green this evening, and we're having a good day. We got a daily close in about 33 minutes, right? We could break to the upside here if we can, if our next candle could break up. So it's not a bad opportunity to pick some more JASMY up right now, because if we do break to the upside, you're in profits instantly, right? We're looking at 3 cents right there. So you tell me. Samuel, as always, my brother, thank you so much for the support, man. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate you, brother. Where were we here? Jasmy's not an American company. We saw that. Best coin. That's why. Yes, 100%. The $17 is super achievable. It's just a doubt. I doubt it'll be this bull run, but for the next bull run, I'd say above 85% chance. Yes, I agree. That's why I tell you guys, when we get to the peak of the bull run, I'm the most Jasmy that I will sell is 50% of my bag. 50% is not going anywhere. I'm holding it for the net peak of the next bull run, because if this team achieves what they're setting out to achieve, right? Crazy. 50% moon bag, baby. 50% moon bag for sure. 50% I'll sell, take profits. 50% is not going anywhere. And yeah, $17. Whew. Yes, please. Yes, please. Just saying that Jasmy isn't an American company, so that Gary Grinch can't go after that alone makes me super bullish. Yes. Yeah, they're completely outside of Gary's jurisdiction, so he can suck it, right? From what I remember from last Bitcoin halving, we experienced buy the rumor, sell the news. Do you think we will experience a large sell-off post-Bitcoin halving? I think we'll experience a sell-off around the halving, and then I think we're going to find a new support level for everything, and we're going to kind of go choppy sideways, a little bit to the upside till about, guys, I've been saying this for a while. I don't think that the real like parabolic moves are not going to start until about October, November, in my opinion, right? Because usually if you look back at other bull runs, usually that run doesn't start for about 4 or 5 months after the halving event, right? You chop sideways for a little bit after a sell the rumor event, and then you chop, or then you work your way up, and then all of a sudden, pow, right? That's why I keep telling you guys, my window for taking profits in this bull run is between October of this year and June of next year, right? That is where my focus is going to be for my price targets on all my coins. I'll be DCAing my way out of everything, but in that time frame between those months is when I will be taking my profits and lathering my way out of the market, right? And I'm telling you guys right now, you're going to hear a lot of people saying, super cycle, don't sell, cycle's not going to end until the end of 2026, halfway through 2027. You're going to hear all that garbage, guys. You heard it in the last bull run like crazy, right? That's all they talked about. Cardano to $10, Bitcoin's going to $250,000 in 2021. None of that happened, and a lot of people got wrecked because they got greedy and they didn't have a plan. You have to have a plan, you guys, right? You have to pick your price targets and dollar cost average your way out of this bull run the same way you dollar cost average your way in. If Jasmy is going to go to $1, if you think it's going to go to $1 and you want to sell around there, well, then what you need to do at 47 cents, you got to sell 10% of your bag. At 56 cents, you got to sell another 10% of your bag. At 67 cents, you got to sell another 10% of your bag and DCA your way out of the market. Because if you're holding 2 million coins and you think for 1 second that when Jasmy gets to $1, that you're going to be able to just dump a 2 million token supply on the open market, and someone's out there is going to buy a $2 million or 2 million tokens, right? And fill your sell order, that's not going to happen, right? Everyone's going to be dumping at $1, right? So that's why I tell people who are newer to crypto, you have to understand it's not as simple as I'm just gonna sell everything at $1. It's not going to work that way. I promise you, it's not, right? Your sell order is not going to fill. You have to DCA your way out of the market, right? So that's the best way to do it. That's how I'm going to be doing it. And members, if you're a member of the channel, guys, if you want help with that, click the link I'm putting in the chat right now. Become a member of the channel, because we are going to be helping the members on a daily basis at that time to DCA their way out of the market, to take their profits and help them roll profits into other projects that haven't pumped yet to multiply your gains, right? So, you can take 10% of your profits in Jasmy, for example, that you're that you're selling. You take those 10% profits at 47 cents or whatever, right? So let's say you got 10 grand of profit you took out. Now we're going to teach you how to take that 10 grand, find another solid utility play that hasn't pumped yet, and put that 10 grand into that project and let that, 4 or 5x for you, right? And then DCA your way out of that. We're going to help you multiply those gains. So you want to click the button, you want to, or the link in the chat, become a member of the channel, because that's what we're going to be doing on a daily basis, guys. So definitely. Rob falling asleep while watching you. I'm late to the live stream. Little bit late. Yeah, we've been going for about 40 minutes now, so you're a little bit late. But that's okay. Sup, Future? What's up, Boomer? What's up, brother? Hey, brother, H-bar thoughts. Love H-bar. H-bar for me, about $1.50 for H-bar. I'll take that all day long, guys, for sure. I have a big old bag of H-bar. The partnerships that H-bar has been putting out there lately. You've got a Saudi Arabia partnership, right? You've got a partnership with Algorand that they just came out with. They just partnered with Pith, like huge things. H-bar's doing, guys, huge things. So I am ultra bullish on H-bar. Good day, my friend. Good day. Eduardo, I remember when ADA was 3 cents for a while. Then it shot up to $3. Yeah, that's the thing. That's what JASMY's trying to do here, guys, right? JASMY went from 3 cents, or Cardano, sorry, went from 3 cents to almost $4 because they had like an 82% TVL, right? That's what JASMY's trying to do here. Get rid of as many coins as possible, just like Cardano did. 50% you'd sell at that price. I'm only selling a total of 50% of my bag. 50% I'm not selling at all. I just mean I'm only selling 50% of my bag. The rest of my bag I'm holding until 2030. Crypto Goddess, how are you? Rob, just curious. Have you been in JASMY long? I have been in JASMY for a very, very long time. And I've been, listen, I do daily, I do like 3-4 JASMY videos a day plus 2 live streams. I've been covering JASMY for a long time now. And that's why I know so much about it. It's all I talk about, for crying out loud, right? I'm going to start selling at $1 if you want me to be honest. Hey, to each their own, brother, to each their own. Everyone has to think about the capital gains tax. I was thinking about that when I said I'll sell my JASMY and just buy again during the bear market. Yes, exactly. Have to keep that in mind as well. Samuel, my brother, what time is the members only live stream on Sunday? It'll be between 1 and 2 p.m. Central is when it will start. Because Sundays I wake up, because you guys know I work till like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning tonight. Then I wake up first thing in the morning. I got to go to church right away. And then as soon as I get back from church, I come here. And before I even eat breakfast, I hop on and I do the members only live stream. So it'll be between 1 and 2 o'clock. It will be the start time of the stream. So that's when that kicks in, brother. I can't wait to see you there, Samuel. Capital gains tax does have to be figured out. Yes. Honestly, guys, the easiest way to do that is just to find a company or accountant that has experience dealing with taxes in the stock market, and they'll be able to help you, because it's the same capital gains tax for the stock market as it is for crypto, right? So that's what I would say would be the easiest way if you find it too difficult to figure your taxes out when it comes to crypto. Rob, we are learning the hard way. Yes, 100%. Plus, for the next bear market, we can buy more JASMY, but I highly doubt be at 2 cents. Most likely, the peak of the bear market would be 10 cents. Well, I keep getting asked at what I think that the bottom will be for JASMY in the next bear market, and to be honest with you, I mean, it depends how high JASMY goes, right? If the top is $1, well, it's going to fall about 95% from there. So that'd be what, 5-10 cents would be the bottom kind of thing, right? Everything falls about between 85 to 95% in the bottom of the bear market. So wherever JASMY tops out, it's going to fall down 85 to 95% from that point, right? So that's when when it gets down around 80% drop, because it's going to take about a year for the price to drop down to that level, right? It's going to spend almost the entire year of 2026 working its way down the prices, just like we did in 2022, right? We spent almost all of 2022 just working our way down to the bottom. It's going to be a slow grind down in 2026, same way it was in 2022, right? But when it gets down around 80%, that's when you want to start buying back into the market, right? In whatever projects you believe in, right? That's the time you want to start getting back in. But we'll be here and we will be doing these videos still and these live streams, letting you guys know what I'm doing, right? So, Rob, we're learning the hard way. My first bull run, very stressful for me. It can be very stressful. I remember my first bull run. It can be very, very stressful for people. That's why I keep telling you, Studio Tech, you got to become a member of the channel, man. You got to become a member of the channel because we're there to help you. I'll be keeping around 150K till the next bull run. That's a good idea, man. That is a good idea. When did you start doing crypto full time? I've been doing crypto full time for about 4 or 5 years now, something like that. So that's full time. I've been doing it longer than that, but just part time before that, right? So even right now, I do crypto full time, but I still work 3 jobs too, guys. I own my own business as a finance manager. I run a bar, hotel, VLT lounge, restaurant on weekends, right? So very, very busy guy. Full-time dad as well. Let's go get great content by the best JASMY News. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Once you're a millionaire, will you carry out with live chats? How do you know I'm not a millionaire now and I'm still doing these live chats? Honestly, to be perfectly honest with you, man, Mr. X Gamer, I do this because I really enjoy doing this at the end of the day. I love coming on and just chatting with you guys. I really do. I think we have a great time. It's a great community we've built. I know other guys that are content creators as well. And they're the same way. They've already made their money in crypto, but they still run their channel because it's, guys, like sometimes I'm like in my office and I'm just like, I look forward to coming here and chatting with you guys. Like it's fun. It's a lot of work, but it's fun, right? Thank you for the great content, brother. Thank you for supporting me, man. Thank you for supporting me. Coin Ledger works. Nice. Most likely be DCAing my way out, starting around 20-25 cents and holding the rest once we get past $1. Not a bad idea, man. Not a bad idea. Definitely going to join, Rob. Awesome. Good to hear it, man. Good to hear it. Just got 200K Velo yesterday. Nice. Velo is a good project, man. It's going to do good things. Thanks, bro. Love all your content. Thank you, guys. Make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe button on your way in. Gotta get the channel growing here, guys. Gotta keep it growing. You know what I'm saying? All right, what else do we have to look at here, guys? We got about 19 minutes until this daily candle closes, so I don't know. I hope we can move up in price a little bit here. I don't want to close red. Let's have a breakout here. Let's have a breakout. All right, let's have a look over here. My good friend Jesse says, guys, Meg, who's got 2 thumbs and brings you guys the alpha? This guy. All right, Little Bidman. My buddy Jesse says, Little Bidman is hot on the trail for the of the yet to be announced big business partnership. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Little Bidman says, hard to say. Intel, Dewabo, and Source Next are all clear contenders. I agree Intel is a top candidate. And guys, we talked about Intel as a potential partner for JASMY yesterday, if you remember, right? Intel has supported JASMY's cause since day one. and on many occasions cooperated on strategy and messaging. Here's a screenshot of an old news piece. As you can see, JASMY plus Intel, guys. Breaking news, JASMY and Intel Duwabo talking about the future of the Internet of Things and distributed management. Guys, if, like, I'm hoping for Sony, but guys, Intel as the potential partnership announcement would be just as big as Sony. In fact, it would be bigger. Do you know why it would be bigger? Let me tell you why it would be bigger. Moving closer. I'll tell you why it's going to be bigger. Because if JASMY's announcement is that they're partnering with Intel, right, and implementing their technology into the Intel stuff, right, Intel's technology, right, you know why that's bullish? On top of the fact that it's freaking Intel, I'll tell you why it's bullish. Because they have that partnership with Intel, but then JASMY's still on the table as a partner, as a potential partner, right? Boom. Imagine that. They announce that they're partnering with Intel. Then later on, down the road this year, maybe a couple months from now, they announce, boom, guess what? Now we're finally utilizing the GPUs inside the PlayStations in a partnership with Sony. I'd rather have both. Screw it. Announce Intel and then announce Sony after that, right? Holy smokes, guys. Is your mind not blown right now? Unbelievable potential, guys. Still holding 1.127 million. Haven't sold since the low. Very nice. That is how it's done, man. Thoughts on Book of Memes? Book of Memes is... I've made a couple of swing trades with Book of Memes over the last couple of weeks. It's down today. I think Book of Memes is a good DCA opportunity, to be honest with you. If you want to grab some, wait for it to pump again, and then sell it, it's a good opportunity to do so. So, yeah. So I think it's fantastic opportunity. I think it's going to pump really well in the bull run. Samuel, I love JASMY, but you should never sell ICP for anything, including JASMY, bro. My research tells me ICP is probably the best blockchain in crypto. Well, I mean, listen, Chronic Jack, I love ICP as well. I really do. I used to hold ICP. I sold it because I was in big profits. And I do eventually want to get back into it again because I think it's going to have a great bull run. And many people will tell you on this channel that I have defended ICP many, many times about the team, about what happened, the inflated price. The team was a victim of circumstance. It wasn't their fault, the whole price crashing thing, right? That being said, though, diversification is the way that it's done, man. If he sells his profits in ICP and moves them over into his longer term hold, which is JASMY, but he did say he plans on getting more ICP, right? So some projects are just, some projects we like to swing trade. I do that with some projects too. I just did that recently with NXRA. I bought a whole bunch, then it pumped like 40% in a couple of days, sold it off, rolled those profits into something else, right? Multiplier effect, man. Multiplier effect, brother. we can all win together, baby. Do you think NEAR can hit $30? NEAR protocol. Let's have a look at NEAR. I am mega ultra bullish on NEAR. I'll say that before I even look at it. I hold NEAR, to be honest with you. I am a holder of NEAR. I've held it for about a year and a half now, something like that. Yes, I do think that NEAR can get to $30. Oh, yeah. All-time high was $20. Yeah, NEAR can do it. NEAR can do it. It's got good tokenomics. I am a fan of NEAR. Easily, William, if we don't get a Black Swan event, I also hold a little. Yes, agreed. Sorry I'm late. Been waiting for this live, no notifications. We don't take excuses, Haas. 50 push-ups, brother. 50 push-ups. KK, you want to get wealthy in crypto if you don't buy it, or you can't get healthy. Exactly. Exactly. You can sit on the sidelines all you want. Jack, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Guys, smash the subscribe button on the way in for me here. Would mean a lot. We'd love to have you join the channel here. So make sure you're doing that. What else do we got going on here? Samuel, my brother, my research tells me I can profit more with JASMY, and I'm going back into ICP. I flipped it for 1.3K profit in 48 hours, and it's already dipping. Yes, 100%. And this is the thing, right? Exactly. And this is the thing. You have to take into consideration potential return on investment, right? That is a big factor for me. What's the potential ROI per project? Will ICP do fantastic? Absolutely, it will. Will you have a better return on investment in JASMY, though? Probably. Jack, what do you see KASPA going to? My target for KASPA is between $3 to $5, but I will likely start DCAing my way out around $2. But I see about $3 to $5 is entirely reasonable for KASPA. I think it'll do great things. So yes, Overcome, welcome to the members side, my friend. Welcome to the Gem Hunters. Just in time, just to let you know, my friend, we have a members only live stream tomorrow afternoon, so make sure you're here for it. We're gonna look at some microcap gems that we can get into to make some good money. We're going to, if you need help with your portfolio, if you need help with your exit strategies, all that stuff, we got you covered, man. We got your back. So welcome to the member side. Guys, if you want to become a member, click the link in the chat. It's definitely worth it. Over 185 members over there, guys. We're all incredibly helpful and knowledgeable. It's definitely worth it to be over there. And it's, guys, at the end of the day, really, it's $4, guys. $4, right? $4. So, sorry, Rob, if you're talking about ICP with your shirt on, you're really not serious. That's how it's going to be, eh? That's how it's going to be. LOL, 50 push-ups. Yes. Yeah, if you're late, you got to do 50 push-ups. Ashley, how are you? How are you? Awesome, man, I tried. Tried to slide in there. Think we wouldn't notice. What's up, Sun is Hot? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Cass, I mean, yes, I knew you meant KASPA. You're talking about KASPA, right? Intel's very bullish, and that's crazy. Yes, 100%, guys. Again, imagine Intel gets announced this, like within the next week or so. Intel gets announced, man. That's massive. And then we still have we still have Sony on the table to become a collaboration partner with JASMY as well. Like, holy smokes, guys. Holy smokes, right? That's even bigger. Even bigger. What's the price of nets, Rob, during the bull run? You know what? I think nets could get as high as $5, to be honest with you. I mean, like, realistically, have a look at this, guys. I am so bullish on nets, it's not even funny, right? Guys, look. $9.2 million market cap, guys. It is so early for nets. If you don't know what nets is, it's a layer 1 project. I am so bullish on it, man. It's not even funny. Like 9.2 million, and only like 7 of that is mine. I'm just kidding. But seriously, right? That's a low market cap gem, guys. Layer 1's going to do fantastic in the bull run. I have been DCAing into nets like crazy. Again, I think it could go as high as $5. But to be honest with you, if it only went to 2, I would be happy with that, right? You get yourself about 50,000 coins, you're set, right? You got a nice bag, make some good profits, boom, right? So very, very bullish on nets. I would laugh. I would laugh my behind off if JASMY's big partnership ended up being BlackRock. Yeah. Unfortunately, BlackRock's not an IoT company. Otherwise, where do you see JASMY in the short term? I see JASMY in the short term in my bag. No, I honestly think, like I said, I keep showing this, guys. I think that We're about 8 minutes away from the daily close. So, I mean, like I was really hoping we would break to the upside outside of this, but it honestly looks like we're going to start another red candle. And if we do, we're going to drop down to the likely drop down maybe tonight or tomorrow to the 1 cent 6 level, which is a fantastic DC opportunity. But if we break to the upside, we're going to be at about 3 cents. So, you know, we could go either way right now. Thoughts on Boom? I just gave my thoughts on Boom. I think it's going to do great. I think it's a good DCA opportunity on Book of Memes right now, for sure. Samuel, that would mean their KPI is on point. Yes, and I actually did a breakdown. If you missed this morning's live stream, go back and watch it, because I did a breakdown of the KPI goals and how now it's starting to make more sense now that everything's kind of starting to tie together, right? So make sure you go back and watch this morning's live stream if you want a more comprehensive breakdown of the KPI goals and how they are more attainable than ever, right? What do you think about that April 1st pump? I think that it's a great idea. And honestly, I love to see the community getting together and participating in something fun. And I think I'll probably do it. I'll probably just buy some on my own on April 1st just to be part of it, right? But at the end of the day, I don't think it's going to spike the price of JASMY at all. But that's fine. No big deal. I think it's a fun thing for the community. And there's nothing wrong with bringing a little bit of positivity into the community, right? So it's a fun little thing, you know, even if you're only buying 10 or 20 bucks worth, go in, participate, have a good time with it, right? Greetings from Massachusetts. I can never say Massachusetts. I can't say that word, man. But thank you. Thank you so much. Jasmy and X would be a good fit. Yes, 100% agree with you there as well. BTC showing double head and shoulders. On which time frame, man? Cisco, IBM, Intel, Microsoft, Verizon, Google. Yes. All in one shebang. Boom. Big partnership. It's like the NWO. Like it's like the Hogan, Nash, and Scott Hall alliance. Imagine JASMY hitting $2 in December. Whew. That would be one hell of a Christmas, Dante. That would be one hell of a Christmas. Imagine you and me have 1 billion each. You wouldn't want me to invest before you pump the price up to reduce your billion to ashes when you come in, when it starts to You're dubious, my friend. You are dubious. I like it. 4 hour, I think, on the Bitcoin 4 hour, eh? The Bitcoin 4 hour. Let's see. Let's go over to the Bitcoin 4 hour and have a look. You said you're looking at a holy smoke, Samuel. Samuel with the super sticker. Thank you, brother. Thank you. You are the man. Samuel, I love you, brother. I really do, man. You are absolutely lights out fantastic. And because you did that, listen, I'll do you a favor. I will not sell my 1 billion JASMY tokens. I won't dump on you. Okay? Oh, you're the man, buddy. You are the man. Some of my ICP profits. Nice. Oh, man. Well, listen, I'll roll those profits into JASMY as well so that we're both doing it, brother. All right? I'm with you on that. We'll be on the same page, man. I got you, brother. I got you. You are the man, Samuel. I love you, brother. You're saying, what are you seeing? A double BTC showing a double head and shoulders. Double head and shoulders. I mean, really, if you're looking at it, I mean, you could be looking at an inverse head and shoulders, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder. We could see a shot to the upside here, right? Because really, I mean, you're looking at an inverse head and shoulders here. Boom, boom, boom on the 4 hour. What does the daily show? Daily does not. Daily kind of shows a falling wedge right now. Really, there's two bullish guys. We just sitting here. We just picked out two bullish patterns on the daily and the 4 hour for Bitcoin. So we could see a pop to the upside. Same thing on the 1 hour. A little bit of a falling wedge showing here, right? These look bullish to me, man, not bearish. As Bitcoin plummets. That's funny. Yeah, no, those patterns look bullish to me, man. What else do we got? Boston will do just fine. Greetings either way, sir. But yes, Boston. Well, I will say this. And don't hate me. Don't hate me, relaxing music, okay? But I was born and lived only a few years there, but I'm born in Toronto, man. Right? So can we have a little peace? Can we have a little peace, brother? Can you please check? Yeah, I just did, brother. I think that we're looking at some bullish patterns on Bitcoin, to be honest with you. 1.6 JASMY, time to sell my original Walkman for money. I'm all in. Oh, man. That's funny. Guys, I don't know how old a lot of you guys are, but I remember when I was a kid, to be able to make like mixed tapes and stuff like that, because we had cassette tapes, I'd have to put one ghetto blaster facing the other ghetto blaster and press play on one ghetto blaster and press record on the other. And it would be this terrible sounding quality. Tell me if you guys have ever had to do that as a kid, man. Very, very funny. Very, very funny. What's a humble price prediction for Veracity? I mean, listen, if you went for 50 to 60 cents for Veracity, you'd be fine, right? So, I mean, you know, accumulate like I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money, but accumulating like, we're about to start a new daily candle, by the way, any second now. Accumulating like 500,000 coins, you get to 50 cents. You've got about $250,000 there, right? You're good to go. So, boom. We started below the moving average. So now we're facing two levels of resistance here, guys, on the daily. We've got a moving average to break through, and we've got a trend line to break through. So we probably are going to see a breakdown to the 1 cent 6 level. So, I mean, listen, I don't know if you do day trading and stuff, probably wouldn't be a terrible idea to put in a little one, just a little short. But to be honest with you, or just have some dry powder on the side and wait for the drop, because I think we're probably going to see a drop down to the 1 cent 6 level. We're facing two resistance levels now because we fell below the moving average, and they're converging right together here. So that's going to be one hell of a breakthrough. You know, it's going to be powerful resistance level, guys. So. But has anyone noticed how consistent Algorand has been? I'm holding a few and feeling pretty bullish. I love Algorand, man. Chronic Jack. I have a big old bag of Algorand. I scooped up so much at 8 cents. And I was doing videos last year when Algorand was 8 cents. And I was telling everybody when they lost their biggest TVL provider, right? I was telling everybody, because everyone was saying, "Oh, Algorand's dead." Gary Gensler keeps mentioning it in court cases, and they lost their TVL and blah blah blah. Guys, listen, I was like, hey, the fundamentals of Algorand never changed, guys. They're still a fantastic layer one. They're still incredibly fast, incredibly cheap. They still have projects migrating and launching on their network. Very bullish on Algorand. Very, very bullish. I could see a $5 Algorand for sure in the bull run. I asked for green candles, but they don't listen. Yeah, I didn't order this red. What is this red bullshit? No lie, goddess. I'm bullish on Algorand. I've been holding some for some time, and it's been fairly consistent. I'm looking for a good bull run. Yes, like I said, I could see a $5 Algorand, but I'd start DCAing my way out around $2.50. I'll probably start taking profits. Just rolled some Milady profits into JASMY, average right at 2 cents. Nice. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Like I said, guys, we could see a pullback tonight in JASMY. So, I mean, what I would say is to keep an eye on the charts tonight for a good DCA opportunity. If we do drop down to that 1 cent 6 level, it's a fantastic opportunity, guys. Fantastic. I would be super excited. In fact, when we're done the stream, I'm probably going to put in a sell or a buy order, sell order. I'm going to put in a buy order for 1 cent, about 1 cent 6.5 to see if I can scoop some more up down there. That would be awesome. I see. Toronto is a beaut. Yeah, they're a beaut because you guys keep beating us in hockey, you bastards. Rob, who's selling their JASMY? My second bag is empty. Not this cat, brother. Not this cat. Anyone want to give me 10? Anyone want to give me 10K JASMY? I'm 15 and I've only got enough to buy 2 point. If you're 15, how are you even investing in crypto? What's your take on Solana? Solana's going to have a great run. Solana has made a fantastic turnaround from about a year and a half ago. And yeah, I mean, Solana, people are saying, $1,000 it could go to. Either way, I could see it. I could see $1,000 Solana, and I wouldn't be shocked. But listen, for me, I'd say closer between $600 and $700 for Solana. I wouldn't be shocked. I would not be shocked, right? And a lot of projects are launching on Solana now. Their ecosystem is booming like crazy. So I guess they're listening. Yeah, a little bit of a green candle going on. Facts, what's up, brother? The DXY is too high, which is bad for crypto. Yeah, I agree. That's why I agree. That's why I say I think we're going to see this drop down to about 1 cent 6.5 ish. A little bit of a correction here, guys. Like I said, Bitcoin could drop all the way down to $50, $55, $52,000, and it would still be consistent and healthy for the trend for this bull run, guys. Right? It would still be within the parameters for the 4-year cycle. So don't sweat it. Just have dry powder on the side and scoop up some of these gems, guys. Scoop them up, right? Algo would do great. 100% agree. 100% agree. There's the Discord link, guys, if you want to join the Discord. Also, guys, do me a favor. Follow me over on X. The link for my X is down in the description, guys. I need to build my X page up. So if you could hook me up and do that, it would be absolutely amazing. Even if you're like never on there and stuff like that, still just shoot me a follow just to grow my X page out. That would be awesome. When JASMY teams say the goal is $17 in 2026, then I mean JASMY this year $1 to $3. Yeah, I do have, this burn mechanism is really going to make things interesting. It's going to make things very, very interesting. So, WF Capital, what's up, man? 50 push-ups, you're late. There's a small lime candle forming. Yes, it's small, but it does the job, right? Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. My internet got a little funky there. Yes. Where was I? When the JASMY team say the goal is $17, we looked at that. Okay. Please give me the inside scoop. 50 push-ups first, brother. 50 push-ups. Samuel, sell order. Oh my God, everyone sell. Whale about to drop on us. No freaking way, man. No freaking way. Not a chance. They couldn't drag me. Wild horses couldn't make me sell my freaking JASMY, man. How about print? What is print? Let's have a look at print. Print. Print mining or print fingers, or sorry, fingerprints DAO. Which one you talking about? Or print protocol. There's 3 prints. Let me know which one it is you're talking about. You think JASMY's going down this week? Yes, I do. I think we're going to see a leg down to about 1.5 cents, or sorry, 1 cent 6.5-ish, something like that. So I would say have some dry powder on the side. I mean, listen, it depends. We'll probably have that pullback, but then if Hara's got a lot of good news on Wednesday, guys, then we could go parabolic, right? So remember that we have that. Hara AMA on Wednesday, right? Which I will be breaking down as well. DXY will react to obvious pill. Yes, yes, yes. You think JASMY's going down a bit this week? Yes, I already answered that. What do you think about Floki? Floki just got like a few listings and started doing really well, right? I think Floki is kind of a too high of a market cap meme coin for me personally. Like it's 2.2 billion, right? But it's still, guys, Floki is very, very popular. It's got a strong community behind it. I hear about it all the time. I don't hold any, but I think it's going to do pretty good. It's going to do good. It's got a lot of listings. Yeah, big, strong community behind it. It will do fine. Rob, what do you think about Litecoin? It looks like a sleeping giant. I wouldn't say it's a sleeping giant, but Litecoin will do well. They do have their halving, I believe, every year. I don't hold Litecoin, but it will perform. It will perform in the bull run admirably. You will make profits on it. Personally, I'm not buying any Litecoin. I know Litecoin has a very, very big supportive community behind it as well. So it'll do okay, but I wouldn't say sleeping giant though. But it will do okay. Appreciate it if you can research more details on the lockup and burn. Andrew, on Sunday, not tomorrow, but next Sunday, my friend, make sure you're here because we have a live stream scheduled. There's going to be 4 of us, well, 3 of us, possibly 4 of us on the live stream on Sunday. It's going to be a big event. I'm going to have Jesse from KIR Finance. He's a JASMY ambassador. I'm going to have JASMY US. He's another JASMY ambassador, and myself. And I've extended an invitation. I told Max from Maximus Crypto. I told Max if he wants to be a part of it. But I know I talked to Max last night, and I know that he really wasn't feeling very well. So we'll see how he's feeling by next week. So there possibly could be 4 of us on the live stream, and we're going to break down the entire roadmap. We're going to talk about the lockup. We're going to talk about the burn. We're going to talk about Hara's AMA this week on Wednesday. So make sure you're here for that, my friend. That is something you're not going to want to miss. You and Max are the best YouTubers. Thank you. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Crypto Future is the one who got me into JASMY in December of last year. I watched Matthew Perry, who's a good dude, but he just waves his hands, watched others and their imaginary lines. No, thank you. Samuel, you and me, brother. You and me right there, man. Right there, brother. I appreciate you. Was the roadmap bullish or what? It's not reflecting in the price. The roadmap, to say that the roadmap was bullish is an understatement to bullishness. What I would say to you, my friend, I did a live stream this morning where I broke down most of the roadmap. I would say go watch that, and you will come out of that extremely bullish on the roadmap. So yes, it was very, very bullish. I don't understand why people sell their JASMY, to be honest. I don't understand at all. I don't understand either, man, but some people get shaken out. I don't understand how some people invest on emotion. I don't understand how some people get crazy when they see red. I'm more bullish when I see red than I am when I see green. And that's crazy, but that's just how I'm wired, right? So the green print, it's on Solana's platform. The green print. Okay, so let's see here. Print protocol on Solana. Yes. All right, we're going to have to look at it over on CoinMarketCap because it's not giving me a market cap. All right, so it has a $7.5 million market cap. 100% of the supplies in circulation. fairly new project. So you buy, print, and earn Solana. Followed by Swift blockchain. Wow, seems like a decent little gem. They've been doing a lot of Twitter Spaces as well. Yeah, it seems like an okay project to me. I mean, I'd probably throw a couple $100 into it just to see what happens, right? Yeah, seems like a decent call. They say if you hold print, you earn Solana. That's what they're saying. Yeah, I just read that. Yeah. Floki will do well. I agree. Floki will do well. 86 people in the live. I'm proud of you, Rob. I remember when we're just a dozen, not even, brother. Happy to see you shine. Well deserved. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yes, we were at the bottom for a long time, man. Times there was only like 2 or 3 people in the live chat. So yeah, we made it quite a ways, brother. Samuel, they sell it to me, Dante. I've been asking all my friends to sell me for less gas fees and no tax. They told me screw myself. Oh man, that's nice. I can't wait for JASMY to get out of ETH, so the gas fees are going to be cheaper. 100%, man, 100%. We're so early, man, from London. Yes, we are very early, man. We're building green candle, right? Meow. Yes, we are. Let's have a look. Yeah, we are building a green one. We got to try to break above 2 resistance levels at the same time, guys. I hope we can. We need Bitcoin to have a pump, but it's the weekend, so it's bad timing. Bad timing, guys. Buy the rumor, sell the news. X marks the spot. What's up, man? Good to see you. 50 push-ups. I brought JASMY since 2021. Got over 500K. Nice. That's a nice bag, man. You want to hold that for the bull run. KK, right, Rob? Red is your friend when you're an investor. Yes, 100%. Been in this market 4 years now. Red days still bug me, but those are the days I buy. Yeah, it's almost instinctual to have the red days bug you. You know what I'm saying? I'm here, and yes, I know 50 push-ups. YouTube hates me for some reason. I'm not getting my notifications. When do you think JASMY Wallet's coming out? I mean, they're supposed to come out this month, so I mean, I'm hoping sometime in the next couple of weeks. I'm looking forward to doing a tutorial video on how to use the PDL. That's going to be so much fun, man. When do you think JASMY will hit $1? Sometime before the end of the year, I'm thinking. Rob, no mercy. Hey, 50 push-ups, brother. Yes, we're trying to get our bags jacked and get our, summer's coming. I'm trying to help you guys with your summer bodies here, right? Beach body time. Okay, just got done with my 50 push-ups. Pixar, it didn't happen, bro. Is JASMY moving off Ethereum? It's moving to a layer 2, so you won't be paying Ethereum gas fees on the layer 2 for your PDL. You'll be paying gas fees on JASMY's blockchain, so it'll be cheaper. So yeah. We're all going to be rich and jacked and learn to be on time. Yes. I'm making you rich. I'm making you fit. And I am making you punctual, right? Very, very important. How much should I throw into JASMY? I already have a couple hundred. Listen, for JASMY, honestly, I think that everyone should hold, in my opinion, at least 100,000 tokens, bare minimum. That's what I think, right? I could go do 50 girl push-ups. Straighten those knees. I forgot about the layer 2, duh. What's the name of JASMY's blockchain? It's going to be Junction. JASMY chain over to Junction. So, yes. Rob, you're turning me back into the rock. Turning you back into the rock. How much Velo should I hold? The same for XRP. For Velo, like I said before, I think that let's go look at Velo right now. For Velo, you should be holding at least 100,000 coins, bare minimum. But I would say if you can work your bag up to, I don't know, between 250 to 500,000 coins, that would be a decent bag of Velo, in my opinion. As for XRP, minimum for me, a minimum bag should be about 10,000 coins, right? Because XRP $7 to $13, right? You should have at least 10,000 coins for it to be worth your time investing in, right? So, you know that Chad meme? It's all going to be us who are late to crypto streams later. Yes, just jacked. I saw Swift had a new partnership or listing, I think. I was looking at Swift earlier today, but I didn't see anything about a new partnership or listing. I'll keep on top of it, though. I'm actually doing some research because I'm going to have a Swift video coming out. So it takes a lot of time, but worth it. Yeah, so what else do we got going on? Price prediction for Solana 2025. Like I said, a lot of people think about $1,000 is realistic for Solana. I think we're going to be looking more at about that $600 to $700 level would be completely realistic for me. So do we just do nothing and it will automatically change over the junction from Ethereum? No, that's not how it works. Think about it like utilizing a layer 2 is like, what are some other layer 2s on Ethereum? I'm having a brain fart for some reason. Shiba Inu has a layer 2 on Ethereum, right? Shibarium. So you'd be doing your transactions on the layer 2 over on Shibarium instead of doing them on the Ethereum network. So it's not like there's no like migration or anything like that. So yeah. This is my first bull run ever, and it's 100% Jasmy. Do you think that's going to pay? I think that Jasmy will pay, yes. I think that you need to be well diversified, though. You never want to be 100% in just one project. So what I would say is that you could do it a couple of ways. But, my friend, my biggest suggestion for you, if you're new and you're looking to be safe and cover all of your bets, I would click the link in the chat right now, man, and I would become a member of the channel. It's only $4 because we help people like you in situations that you're in when you're new. You do not, under any circumstances, want to be 100% in one project, right? And I always go back to using Terra Luna as an example of that because Terra Luna, I know you're new, so you probably haven't heard of it, but everyone thought it was going to $600. It crashed hard. Everyone got wrecked. Personally, I lost quite a bit of money on it. However, I was diversified across 9 or 10 different projects, so I recovered my losses from Luna within a couple of weeks because I had money in so many other projects, right? So I didn't suffer. If you're 100% in one project, I don't care what project it is. As much as I believe in Jasmy, the team, everything, if something catastrophic happened tomorrow to the company, your whole portfolio would be wiped out. But if you're diversified across 4 or 5 different projects, your portfolio will take a hit if one of those projects goes under, but you're able to recover financially from it with your gains from other projects, right? So become a member of the channel, my friend. Click the link in the chat. Again, we're there to help you, man. We are there to help you out. We do Sundays. We do tomorrow. We do a members only live stream. We're there to help you out, answer your questions, help you with your portfolio, all that stuff, my friend. I have 70 to 92% changing to just Jasmy every day. When I get another token who dump, then I sell them and reinvest into my research. Yes, 100%, man. That is how babies are made. What do we got here? What else do we got? Hang on a second, guys. Hang on a second here. So, when is Junction kicking off? We're going to talk about that on Sunday, man. So make sure you're here for that. I sold 4 ETH for JASMY. Nice. That's a lot of JASMY. Good for you, man. Congratulations on that. So the JASMY we hold now will remain on the no. You just won't be paying when you're moving your JASMY around for whatever reason, buying, selling, whatever. You just won't be paying Ethereum gas fees anymore if you buy it over on the JASMY chain instead, right? So nothing's going to happen with all the you'll still be able to do JASMY transactions on the Ethereum network as well, right? Candle getting bigger. Yes, that's what she said. Just joined. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Jesus, which way? I'm Canadian, so I don't meet many people with the same name. So hopefully I say your name right. Welcome to the family, my friend. Welcome. Best hope and possible return. T Trader. Yes, exactly. More likes than views. Do we have more likes than views? We do. Holy smokes, guys. Holy smokes. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. What is this? Oh, yeah. All right. All right. Yeah. So, guys, I don't know. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna have the chart on a little bit later, guys. We're gonna watch this green candle. This candle right here, this green little bugger that's growing, right? It's fighting 2 resistance levels right now. Very important candle. Very important candle, guys. So we're gonna watch this candle tonight. We're gonna have the chart streaming, so make sure you watch it, guys. If we break out, if this little candle, this is the little candle that could, right? If this little candle breaks out, we're looking at 3 cents tonight. If it breaks down, we're looking at 1.6 cents tonight, right? So we're going to watch it on the charts tonight, guys. Very, very crucial. Just joined. What to do now? What did you join, my friend? Are you talking about as a subscriber? If you want to be a member, you got to click. I'll put the link in the chat again. You got to click the link in the chat to become a member. Thank you, Samuel. Yes. So yeah, we got to watch this candle here, guys. Very, very important. Very bigly. We need this candle to break up to the upside. We're going to see a God candle to 3 cents if that happens. If not, we're going to see one of those big red dildos all the way down to 1.6 cents. It's not going to be a good time, but it will be a good DCA opportunity. Is member every month, Rob? Yes, it's a monthly thing. It is a monthly thing. So, yes. But I'm telling you right now, we pick a lot of microcap gems over there, guys. And I'm telling you right now, we called one of the ones we called was Type AI. Most of the members made something like 3,600% gains on that project and are still holding, right? We call some gems over there, guys. How long have you been in the crypto space? This is the second time I've been asked that in this stream. Full time about 4 or 5 years, but then all around probably 7 years. Something like that. Rob, you should offer a year subscription. I suppose I could do that. But honestly, Samuel, at the end of the day, to be honest with you, brother, most people, like a lot of people, don't even want to spend $4, to learn how to do this. A lot of people think that they can do it on their own. And I guess some people got to get wrecked through my first cycle, guys. I didn't know nothing. And I figured, I could do it on my own. Nope, didn't work. It didn't work. So you're stuck with us for 12 months minimum. I'm stuck with you guys. It reminds me of it reminds me of that scene in I can't remember the movie, The Watchmen, where he's like, I'm not locked in here with you. You're locked in here with me. Good evening, future crypto millionaires. Beebs, what's up, buddy? Welcome over to the members side, man. Welcome, Jasky. Welcome, my friend. Make sure you're here tomorrow for the members only live stream. You do not want to miss that, my friend. You do not want to miss it. It's between 1 and 2 p.m. Central. We're going to do the live stream tomorrow, members only. Guys, if you want to be a part of it, you got to click the link in the chat. Become a member. Don't let money control you. Control money and be compensated and generous. Like and subscribe. Free info at least. Yes, 100%. Thank you, Sam. Samuel, you're always supporting me, man. I appreciate you so much, brother. I really do. You are absolutely amazing, brother. Jasmy Milady. MMF Milady. Yes. Milady will do okay. It's another one of those meme coins that will do fairly good. So yeah, I definitely think so. So we got to watch this little green candle that could, guys. We got to pump it. What's a 15 look like? Looking juicy. Let's go, baby. We got to break above here. Let's go. Do it now. Quit fucking around. No. What else do we got? This is good, guys. I had to show you guys this. This is what it's like to be a Jasmy investor, guys. Okay. This is what it's like perfectly. Check this out. You guys should get a laugh out of this. Check that out. This is what it's like to be a Jasmy investor. Sideways. Ah! Pure gold. What makes you think we might go down? Investors sell off. In my opinion, the roadmap was bullish overall. And it has nothing to do with the narrative at all. The DXY doesn't look good. So that's not good. In terms of crypto, the DXY looks bad. And to be honest with you, it's just a matter of the charts, right? I mean, we need more, look, we're looking at 2 resistance levels right now for Jasmy here. Damn it. We're looking at 2 resistance levels for Jasmy here, right? Not just one. We're trying to fight against a moving average on the daily and a trend line, right? At the same time. So usually doesn't pan out too well. That's what I'm saying. I think we're going to see a bit of a fall down, but then we could see a pump back up on Wednesday when Hara does his AMA. I think there's going to be some mega bullish news coming out of that AMA, to be honest with you. On the count of 3, everybody buy 5,000 Jasmy. 100%. Yes. What do we got here, guys? Make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe button, eh? We only need we need quite a bit to get to 3,900. We need 52 subs. So hit the subscribe button, guys. Hook a brother up. You get the HBO special. Hook a brother up. How far you think we go down? 1.65-ish cents, in my opinion. I'm not saying it's guaranteed, guys. I'm just saying, we're going to go either one of 2 ways here, right? We're either going to break above these 2 resistance levels at the same time, and we're going to break to the upside around 3 cents. These are just the next 2 price targets. It's not and if we fail, then we're going to drop down to around 1 cent 62-ish level. So, but I've been telling you guys for over a week now that we were likely going to ping pong inside of this on the daily for a while, right? So, I mean, like I said, we're probably going to ping pong inside of this for another week and a half. And everything would be fine if we did that. So, yeah, I don't know, guys. Don't know what to tell you. It's just more opportunity to dollar cost average, right? And make those gains, guys. What else do we got here? Hey, Rob, did you see Reddit posts of people prepping to buy on April 1st? Yeah, I saw that, brother. I think it's a fun little thing, right? I mean, why not, you know? Why not do it? Seems like it's fun. I don't know. I'll probably pick some up just for fun. It's not going to do anything to the price of JASMY. It's you know, it's not significant enough, but it's a fun little thing for the community to do, and there's nothing wrong with a little bit of positivity in the community, right? No, I'll stick to my 200 a week JASMY purchase. Nice. Yeah. So yeah, guys, go and check out this morning's live stream for a more comprehensive breakdown of the roadmap. We took care of that, and yeah. I am going to go eat some supper. I got to work tonight, so I got to get ready for that. I'll have the chart streaming, guys, so make sure you're watching that. That actually scares me. It can be an opportunity for a dump. Yeah, I mean, that's why you got to have dry powder on the side so you could take advantage of the fact if it dumps, right? You could scoop some more up. Before I go to work tonight, I'm putting in a buy order for around 1.65 in case we get pulled down there tonight. Then I can scoop more up. And if we don't, then oh well, then it's good. We pump to the upside, right? But either way, you got to find the positive either way. If it dumps, I get more. If it pumps, yay, it pumped, right? So, you know, big things popping, little things stopping, guys. You know, I'll put in my buy order. And I mean, if it doesn't sell, then if it doesn't fill, that's me, right? So Rob, Monster 3 jobs and gives us his research and time for free. Yes, brother. Yes. And honestly, brother, like the amount of time that I spent, it's really ridiculous. It really is. I did over an hour live stream this morning. I was up. I worked until about 4 o'clock in the morning last night. Came home, sat here waiting for the roadmap to be put out, and then I fell asleep. Woke up this morning, did a live stream over an hour, put out like three videos, I think it was. Did some more digging, did some research. I reached out to Jesse to talk to him about his initial thoughts on the roadmap, so I'm waiting to hear back from him on that, just to get his initial impressions. And now I've been streaming with you guys here for almost 2 hours. So, and then I got to go work tonight. So, yeah, pretty crazy, man. But I have fun. So, anyway, guys, I appreciate you, Samuel. I appreciate you, brother. Bullish, 100% bullish. 100% bullish. Bullish. Yeah. All right, guys. So, I'm going to go eat some supper, start getting ready for work, guys. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being here. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button, guys. We'd like to keep growing. We'd love to have you here. Also, guys, click the link in the chat. Click the join button down below. Become a member of the channel. It's incredibly cheap and affordable. It supports the channel, guys, which allows me to do all the research that I do, buys me that time to bring this alpha information to you guys. And, yeah, I mean, you also get the Sundays members only live streams and stuff. So we'll have a good time, guys. So click the join button for that. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. And I will see you guys. I'm going to have the chart streaming tonight. So be here for that too, guys. So have a good night, guys.